Hey everyone, it's Cassie from Elementor. Today we'll go over how to create a mobile responsive website with Elementor. Elementor includes 5 main mobile editing tools: mobile font size, reverse columns, responsive column width, padding and margin, and hide and show elements. Follow these simple steps and you'll know how to make a 100% mobile responsive website. Sometimes headlines and text elements that look great on the desktop need to be tweaked for mobile. So this headline looks great here, but when I switch to mobile, it's just too big. Luckily, you can easily reduce the headline size on mobile by going to Style, Typography, and reduce the size. Under the Content tab, you also have the option to adjust the alignment. Looks great now. Note that after changing your mobile design, the changes will not be visible when you switch back to desktop mode. Each mode will reflect the specific settings you choose for each device. When you create a page with Elementor, it's automatically mobile responsive. This is achieved by stacking the columns in a vertical order. But when you view your site on mobile, the order of your columns may look different than you intended. So a 2-column image and text section like this may have the text on top of the image. To fix this, use the reverse column switch. Click the section handle, go to Advanced, Responsive, and turn on reverse columns. Now you see the content is displayed in the right order. As we said on mobile, columns are stacked in a vertical order, but you can always customize your column layout for mobile. Look at this 4-column services section. On mobile, they're stacked. To avoid this, reduce the width. Click the column, enter 50%, and do the same with the other columns. Now the mobile layout shows 2 columns side by side. While the desktop still displays 4 columns side by side. Sometimes giving ample space on the desktop can result in a website being smushed together on mobile. When we go to Mobile View, you see that there's too much space between the logo and the headline. Fix this by setting the margin to 0. Here, too much padding causes the column to become too condensed on mobile. Change the padding to 30 to adjust this. One of the easiest ways to make your site more responsive is by creating 2 separate elements, one visible only on mobile and the other only on desktop. When I go to Button, Advanced, Responsive, I can hide the widget from the desktop devices. When I preview the page on desktop, it's hidden. Now I'll do the same for the other button. This time, hide it from mobile. So again, Advanced, Responsive, hide on mobile. When I preview the mobile page, it's gone. By the way, you can use this same method to hide sections. In this video, we've seen 5 tools to help you customize your website and make it 100% mobile responsive. Here's an important best practice. When you finish creating a page, always switch to Mobile View and go through the sections. Use the tools you learned in this video to fix any issues you notice. I invite you to go over your site and make it responsive, the easy Elementor way. And don't forget, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials.